Hello, it's Friday the 6th. I'm FxPlew and it's just about dry enough for the airwheel for today's market brief. Now, the market was pretty sure the MPC would hold rates at 3.75% yesterday, and they duly delivered, but by the finest of margins with a 5-4 vote to hold. Bailey cast the deciding vote once again. Inflation does remain above the 2% target, but some forecasts now suggest that it may fall back by April as energy prices and budget policies start to take effect. Monetary policy is a lot less restrictive after 150 basis points of rate cuts, so we can expect the votes to be this close going forwards for a while yet. Bailey did suggest scope for more rate cuts this year, and many economists are now forecasting a much greater chance of a rate cut at the March meeting. Over in the US, it should have been Non-Farm Friday today, but the shutdown hangover is still delaying the data. Payrolls will now be released on Wednesday. The US had 108,000 job cuts in January, which is the worst year opener since 2009 and the financial crisis hangover. Initial unemployment claims are up and job openings are down to 6.5 million. Naturally, this is casting doubt over the health of the labour market and questioning whether conditions are just cooling or if this is a warning of recession creep. However, the Fed kept rates on hold, and where they hinted of a bit of a wait for the next rate cut, the market is still pricing in one more 25 basis point cut before July. And this could be an inflection point for policies to start diverging. The Aussies raised rates for the first time in 2 years, and the ECB is likely done with their rate cuts, while the Fed and the Bank of England look to have some more rate cuts ahead of them. Meanwhile, in the market, the dollar index rallied to the 98 level yesterday, and we kick off this morning around 135.65 against the dollar, 115.05 against the euro, and euro dollar is around 117.90 on the open this morning. So that's it from me. Have a great weekend. We'll be back again on Monday. Have a good one.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.